Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a makeup PR unboxing. You guys know I am so excited and so beyond grateful to be getting on PR lists. It's so crazy to me, but I love being able to share what I get with you guys. I think it's so much fun, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below in case you guys are new to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy this video. But I'm so excited. I haven't opened it. I just like sliced the top open so I could open it up with you guys, but it is from PROFUSION cosmetics. I seriously wear their makeup so much. It's so affordable. It's at Target. I think it's at Walmart. It's like all under 10 bucks, which is awesome. I love drugstore makeup just because it is so affordable. And honestly, I'm not the best at makeup, so I don't like spending a lot on makeup that I might not like, or I just feel like I'm wasting because I, again, don't know how to do makeup that well. I'm super excited to do this unboxing, and thank you PROFUSION for sending this to me. I'm just so beyond grateful. And I'm pretty sure this is like their like festival theme because of Coachella. So you open it up and it just has a little like PROFUSION card, and then it has a bunch of hacked up packages in it. So we're gonna open them up. So the little card says, play it soft or wear it loud. And it's so cute, and it kind of has like that festival Coachella theme to it. Like it looks like little people in the background. And it has a blue package, a pink one, a yellow, and then a big orange one. Okay, let's open the big one first. That is just so fun. This is their festival palette. Let me open it up so you guys can see it a little bit better. So look at all of those colors. That is just crazy. So there's 35 different eyeshadow colors in here. I'm shook. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this one. This is so pretty. This is called Sunny. Oh my goodness. I'm curious if you guys wear like bold eyeshadows. I don't really wear them on the everyday, but honestly, I really think they're a lot of fun to try and play around with when you like watch YouTube videos of other people using them. I'm like, I have to try that. So the next one is this little yellow package. And this is their eye sparkler. Oh my gosh, I probably am gonna start wearing this a lot. So this is just a sparkling eye topper and a waterproof eyeshadow stick. This is gonna be perfect for summer because I feel like it's that easy one-step kind of thing. So we're gonna open this up a little bit more. One of my favorite things about their packaging is they have like little how-to steps on the back of all of their packaging, which I think is so awesome for beginners like myself. And this one just comes with a little eyeshadow pencil. So that's what it looks like. So I just think it goes on. Oh wow, that is so creamy. I like that. Okay, fun. And then this reminds me of the Stella like glitter eyeshadow that you just put on top. Yep. And you just like put that on top of your eyelid, and it looks really good because it gets that sparkly eye. And you guys know I'm obsessed with anything sparkly and glittery, so I'm excited to try that. And then we're gonna open this little pink one. Ooh, okay, so this is part of their lip duo. And it is this really pretty pink color. I feel like I need to swatch this since I kind of swatched the eyeshadow. I was curious. So this is what the liner looks like. I love their lip liners. I just think they're so nice. I have like a really pretty nude one. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm so nude at this, you guys. And then the liquid lipstick is just like a really nice applicator. Really pretty dark pink color. I think this is going to be so pretty for spring and summer. The last little package they sent me, this might be my new favorite palette. So this is their classics. It's 10 eyeshadows and it's a very neutral palette, and I love that it's so compact because I feel like this is going to fit into makeup bags like when you're traveling so well. And I just love all of these colors for a day-to-day look. And again, it gives you like a little smoky eye tutorial. They're such great quality. Like, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. So thank you so much PROFUSION for sending me all of these beautiful products. I can't wait to try. I'll be sure to do a little makeup tutorial using them very soon. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys would like to see that. And again, if you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will have everything listed down below along with all of PROFUSION Cosmetics social medias in case you guys want to check them out. Mine are listed down below as well. But I just hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!